Here's how you convert 310 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. So you need a conversion factor, and our conversion factor is that 1 atmosphere, that equals 760 millimeters of mercury. So we're going to multiply our 310 millimeters of mercury by the conversion factor here. So we want to cancel out millimeters of mercury so we get atmospheres. So we're going to put the 760 millimeters of mercury down in the denominator. That way these will cancel out. Then the 1 atmosphere, we'll put that in the numerator. We want to end up with our final answer in atmospheres. So we multiply, and millimeters of mercury on the top and the bottom, they cancel out. We're going to be left with atmospheres. So 310 divided by 760, that gives us 0.4078. So let's round that to 0.408. And the units, those are going to be atmospheres, because that's all that's left up above. That's how you know you set this up correctly. It's Dr. B, converting 310 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.